As you probably heard, there are about $6.5 billion worth of Bitcoin that have the clearance for the Department of Justice to dump on the crypto market. Is that the cause of this? And should you even be worried? I'm going to quell all of your fears at the end of this video. But first, as this is just absolutely beautiful, we have $655 million liquidated from cryptocurrency market over the past 24 hours. Why do I say beautiful? Because the people that are getting liquidated right now are gamblers. They borrow money to buy Bitcoin and to bet on the price. You know what? Over the long run, that's going to pay off, not these short-term gamblers. I couldn't care less, but I do love that the fact that these guys are getting liquidated. Good riddance. Moving on, we have Bitcoin's hourly RSI drops to the most oversold level since Bitcoin hit $60,000. RSI, Relative Strength Index. So you know what, guys, Bitcoin is oversold right now, but I'm going to cover whether or not this is the bottom or not. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so check this out. Look at this chart. This is just proof that the RSI is at its lowest level since $60,000. Yes, that makes me very bullish as well. All of this makes me bullish. Guys, I haven't been bearish in a very long time, and there's a reason for that. Okay, moving on, we have Ripple's president says spot XRP ETF is likely to be next in line after Bitcoin and Ethereum. So yeah, guys, XRP is probably going to be around for a very long time. They also have a stable coin out. I don't see it going away. I think the Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, met up with Trump as well. So maybe there's a deal, something happening behind the scenes. I don't know, but I wouldn't be betting against XRP, and that is actually in our portfolio as well. Okay, let's talk about the panic that is in the market right now. So this is from Ki Young Ju. He says last year, $379 billion entered the market based on realized cap, roughly $1 billion a day. Okay, keep that in mind when I cover this. The US government selling $6.5 billion could be absorbed in just a week. So now you should compare the $6.5 billion that is overhanging right now because the Department of Justice got permission to go ahead and sell that Bitcoin if they want to. $379 billion entered the market last year. So I wouldn't worry about this. It's not a big deal. I keep hearing like so much panic here that this is going to drag Bitcoin down to $30,000. Somebody actually said that. And this somebody has over 400,000 followers. I'm not even going to say their names because they're just a worthless account. They're like so many other accounts on Twitter and YouTube. They're just worthless. They don't know anything about this space. They've never ever experienced a bull market before, because if they did, they would understand. In 2017, let me cover this to quell your fears. 2016 through 2017, on the way up, I remember that bull market. It was a lot of fun, guys. But the people nowadays would never survive a bull market like this. We had a 34% pullback, then a 40% pullback, then a 35% pullback, then a 37% pullback, then a 38% pullback, and then a 27% pullback during a freaking crazy bull market. This isn't even down. We're not even down, what, 15%? Like, this is nothing. And I see just dread. Guys, calm down. And secondly, start unfollowing these people that are bearish right now, because they're going to lead you astray. They've never been in a bull market before, or they have a memory of a goldfish and they don't understand that this is completely normal, okay? You're going to also see Tether FUD. You're going to also see a lot of other things. Just relax, man. Like, guys, we've been buying. We called the bottom. Okay, we called the bottom under like around 16,500. That was when we were like, okay, we're near the bottom. Okay, it went to 15,500. So I missed the bottom by 1,000. Whoop-de-doo. Guys, I'm going to call near the top. Okay, and if you do want to follow us, you want to see my trade alerts, my weekly thoughts on the market, our portfolio, and when we're going to be selling, yes, we're going to be selling, check out learningcrypto.com. Talk to you soon. Let me know what your thoughts are below. If you just think I'm a kook and I don't know what I'm talking about, I'd love to hear that too. Talk to you soon.